Have you ever wondered where are we going to live now that Earth is inhabitable? Perhaps on the planet Mars, or even inside the nose of Mao, where you can locate the black hole. Like, literally, the black hole. It is a film that is directed by Christopher Nolan. No, 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 no. It's not a film where Robin now has his solo movie. Interstellar. Is it familiar to you? Well, it is a movie about Earth being in the verge of extinction and NASA having a mission to find a new habitable planet for the entire human race. This movie was released in theaters year 2014 and won many, many awards. This proves that Christopher Nolan himself can really make good movies.
Also, it's a perfect film to be seen. There are still flaws in issue regarding this film, just like the ending, which unfortunately did not capture an emotional punch that was needed to the audience. Personally, my friends and I felt the ending had some shortcomings, but it did not affect the whole movie. For the ending, the entertainment and film gave us. It runs on 2 hours and 49 minutes, which is not bad for a science fiction movie, especially for the reason that it was wonderful CGI that it seems to be natural, and for the performance of the actors. From the entire family setup of Matthew McConaughey to the mission on his face, it's just so incredible. There are moments in the movie that made us drop our jaws and glue our eyes.
The story of this movie is like the Earth is dying, makes you think that you don't want to live there. We need foods, we need crops, we need water, we need farmers. It's so good at establishing a world that is already inhabitable. They must have a solution, and that solution is to go to space and find a new planet that could be habitable and then eventually could live there. Matthew McConaughey's character leading that alongside with Anne Hathaway and some robot who kinda look like some Legos builded by a toddler. And sometimes in the movie, you need a little kid in the movie. That is why there's Mackenzie Foy, who is the little Murphy in this film. She played a crucial role, which later then in the ending was shown.
NASA sending 13 astronauts to space, the idea was to discover a planet that could be habitable for entire human race, and later on, only 3 of the 13 survived. The first world that they visited is a world that is about 3 feet of water, covering most of the planet and waves that are humongous. Wait, wait, wait! Those are just like the waves from the movie 2012. You get it? Later then, we are introduced to the black hole where time there is distorted, resulting 1 hour there is equal to more than 7 years on Earth time.
That is why when Matthews and Hathaway characters got back to the orbit, 20 years have already passed. When the father and daughter reunited once again, it is already late, as he saw his daughter already in bed lying and old enough, realizing that she don't need him anymore in her life.
Overall, it's a fun interesting to watch, especially if you are a science enthusiast. A great movie to see. So get up and stop finding that orange fish and watch this amazing film instead.
And that's for all. Thank you for watching. Nasayang na naman namin ang 5 minuto ng buhay nyo.
Go! Shoutout po kay Carmelo Bugan.
At shoutout po kay Gasly Yumang. And thank you for always watching.